Most car owners have never looked at their spark plug, and the ones who have wish they looked sooner. This is what a neglected plug looks like. Black tip, worn electrode, widened gap. Every single start this plug is sending unburned fuel down your cylinder walls. And this is what the Japanese formula looks like. Clean, precise, engine protecting. Today I'll show you exactly how to get from this to this on any car. For free. Stay till the end. I have a bonus trick that extends plug life by 15%. Most mechanics have never heard of it. Here is something most people don't realize. The two most trusted spark plug brands in the entire world, NGK and Denso, are both Japanese companies. Almost every major car manufacturer on the planet sources their factory spark plugs from one of these two Japanese companies. Not because of price, because of precision. Japanese engineers pioneered iridium and platinum electrode technology. They figured out how to design a spark plug tip so fine, just 0.6 millimeters across, that it fires at a lower voltage with a more complete burn, producing less waste. That means more power from less fuel, less carbon buildup, cooler running combustion chambers, and engines that simply last longer than anything else on the road. The problem is, most car owners replace their OEM Japanese plugs with cheaper alternatives when they wear out. And that is exactly where the damage begins. Let me show you the 3 mistakes that are silently destroying engines right now, and exactly how to stop all of them. Here are the 3 spark plug mistakes that silently destroy engines, and that dealers and parts stores will never warn you about. Mistake number 1. Using copper spark plugs. Copper plugs are the cheapest plugs on the shelf, $3 or $4 each. And they seem fine at first, but copper plugs wear out fast, usually within 20 to 30,000 miles. And here is the dangerous part. As they wear, the electrode gap widens. A wider gap means weaker spark. Weaker spark means incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion means unburned fuel washing down your cylinder walls. That is how engines develop carbon buildup, oil consumption, and premature wear. All from a cheap plug. Mistake number 2, using the wrong heat range. Every spark plug has a heat range, a number that tells you how quickly the plug dissipates heat from the combustion chamber. Your engine requires a very specific heat range for its design. If your heat range is too cold, carbon builds up on the electrode and causes misfires. If it's too hot, you risk pre-ignition. That's where the fuel ignites before the spark even fires. That causes engine knock. And engine knock, over time, causes serious and expensive internal damage. Mistake number 3, changing spark plugs too late. Most owners only change spark plugs when they see a warning light or feel a noticeable misfire. By that point, the damage is already done. Mechanics change spark plugs on a proactive schedule, before degradation even begins. And they always use OEM spec iridium plugs, never copper. Never generic. Every single time, the Japanese method. All right, here is the Japanese spark plug formula, divided into 4 parts. Get this right, and your engine will run like it just came off the factory floor. Even at 200, 300, or 400,000 miles. Let's go. Part 1. The plug itself. The rule is simple. Always replace with OEM specification iridium or platinum plugs. Check your owner's manual or the sticker under your hood. It will tell you the exact plug spec your engine was designed for. Your car most likely left the factory with a Japanese NGK or Denso plug. Match that spec exactly when you replace. Now you might be thinking, can I use aftermarket iridium from Bosch or Champion? Here is the honest answer. They will work, but they are not always optimized for your specific engine's combustion chamber design. And Denso plugs are engineered to tighter tolerances with more consistent electrode geometry. The difference shows up at 150,000 miles. That's when owners using OEM spec plugs still have smooth, efficient engines, and owners with off-brand plugs start seeing rough idle and misfires. A few extra dollars per plug now saves you hundreds in repairs later. Part 2. The gap. Even brand new OEM plugs sometimes come with a slightly incorrect gap from the factory. Japanese mechanics always check and set the gap manually before installation. Here is how to find your correct gap spec. Look in your owner's manual under spark plugs, or check the emissions sticker on the inside of your hood. Most modern 4-cylinder engines run between 0.028 and 0.044 inches. Your specific engine's number is what matters, not a general estimate. Use a feeler gauge or a wire-style gap tool to check and set it. Do not use a coin-style gap tool. They bend the electrode and cause pre-ignition. If the gap is even slightly off, gently adjust it. Never force it. Iridium electrodes are fragile. Getting this right takes 2 minutes and can add tens of thousands of miles to your engine. Part 3. Installation. This is where most DIY mechanics make a critical and expensive mistake. On aluminum cylinder heads, which is the majority of modern engines, you must apply a tiny amount of anti-seize compound to the threads before installation. Without anti-seize, the plug threads can gall into the aluminum head over time. And when it comes time to remove them, you risk pulling the threads right out of the head. That is a $1,500 repair minimum. Apply a very thin coat of anti-seize to the first 2 or 3 threads only. Do not put it anywhere near the electrode end. Now, torque. Equally important. Do not hand tighten. Do not over tighten. Check your owner's manual for the exact torque spec for your engine. Most modern 4-cylinder engines fall between 13 and 22 foot-pounds. Use a torque wrench every single time. Over-tightening cracks the porcelain insulator, and a cracked insulator causes misfires that no diagnostic machine will catch for months. Part 4. The replacement schedule. This is the part the dealer will never tell you because it costs them service revenue. Japanese mechanics follow this exact schedule, and it applies to any car. Copper plugs replace every 20,000 miles. But honestly, stop using copper plugs entirely. Standard iridium plugs replace every 60,000 miles. Long-life OEM iridium plugs, which come stock in most modern cars, replace every 100,000 miles. Do not wait for a warning light. Do not wait for a misfire. Replace proactively, at schedule, with OEM spec iridium. Every time. This single habit is responsible for more high-mileage engines around the world than any other maintenance practice. It works on any engine, any brand. Gas-powered, naturally aspirated, turbocharged, the formula is the same. Proof and results. Let me tell you what following this Japanese formula actually looks like in real life. A taxi driver in Japan ran his sedan engine to 412,000 miles. When the engine was inspected, the cylinder walls showed almost no measurable wear. His maintenance record? OEM NGK iridium plugs, changed every 100,000 miles, correct gap, and correct torque. Every single time. A driver here in the States switched from cheap copper plugs to OEM iridium at 95,000 miles. Within 2 tanks of fuel, his fuel economy jumped by nearly 5 miles per gallon. That's money back in his pocket every single week, just from using the correct spark plugs. Let me put this in real numbers. A full set of OEM iridium plugs for a typical 4-cylinder engine, $40 to $60 total. Changed every 100,000 miles, that is roughly $50 per 100,000 miles of engine protection. Compare that to a single engine rebuild, which starts at $3,000 and goes up to $8,000 depending on the damage. $50 versus $8,000. The spark plug is the cheapest insurance you can buy for your engine, and most people are skipping it or doing it wrong every single time. Bonus tip. Okay, you stayed. Here is your bonus. And this one is genuinely something almost no one outside of Japan knows about. It is called the spark plug break-in procedure. Brand new iridium spark plugs, even OEM ones, have a microscopic manufacturing film on the electrode. If you install them and immediately drive hard, aggressive acceleration, that film burns off unevenly. And uneven electrode wear from day one means a shorter plug lifespan. Sometimes 20 to 30% shorter. Japanese mechanics do this instead. After installing new plugs, start the car and let it idle for 5 full minutes. Do not rev it. Do not touch the accelerator. Then drive gently for the first 50 miles. No hard acceleration. No highway runs above 60 miles per hour. During those 50 miles, the electrode surface heat cycles properly, and the iridium tip seats perfectly into its firing position. After that 50-mile break-in, your plugs will last their full rated life, or longer. Let's bring it all together. Mistake 1. Copper plugs. Stop using them forever. Mistake 2. Wrong heat range. Always match your OEM spec, NGK or Denso iridium, for the best results on any engine. Mistake 3. Changing too late. Follow the 100,000-mile iridium schedule, proactively, every time. If this video gave you value, hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more drivers who need this information. And if your car has more than 80,000 miles on it, subscribe. Because every week I am covering the exact Japanese maintenance secrets that keep engines running for decades. And click this video right here. It covers the Japanese oil change method that mechanics laugh at until they see a 400,000-mile engine that followed it.